Someone asked you recently how things were going. You said fine. You lied. Not because you're dishonest, but because the true answer would have taken too long and you didn't trust them with it anyway. The true answer is, I built everything I was supposed to build, and I feel nothing. I'm working harder than I ever have, and I'm moving backwards. I know exactly what I should do, and I can't make myself do it. That's not a productivity problem. It's not burnout. That's a man who's been running someone else's program for so long, he's forgotten he wrote none of it himself. This channel is not here to motivate you. It's not a framework. It's not a system. It's not 5 steps to anything. It's a mirror. And if you're the man I think you are, the one who's successful enough that asking for help feels like weakness, and stuck enough that pretending everything's fine is getting harder, then you're in the right place. Every video on this channel is a crime scene. You're the only suspect. Subscribe.